using toka. Toka is a versatile Japanese conjunctive particle used to indicate examples in a non-exhaustive list, suggesting that there are other items or possibilities not mentioned. Place after each example in the list. Toka can connect nouns, verbs, and adjectives. When used after a verb or adjective, the verb or adjective is typically in its plain dictionary form. Let's look at 4 usage examples. Listing examples or possibilities. Similar to etc. or and so on or things like. Toka is often used to list examples implying there are other unspoken examples.
りんごとかバナナとか
Apples, bananas, and things like that.
りんごとかバナナとか
学校で英語とかフランス語とかドイツ語などを勉強しました。
In school, I studied English and French and German, among other things.
学校で英語とかフランス語とかドイツ語などを勉強しました。
Indicating uncertainty or hesitation. It can be used to suggest that the speaker is uncertain or hesitant about certain specifics.
明日映画とか見に行く
Shall we go see a movie or something tomorrow?
明日映画とか見に行く
何か飲む？お茶とかコーラとか。
Wanna drink something? Tea or Coke or...
何か飲む？お茶とかコーラとか。
Here the toka softens the suggestion, making it sound more casual and less direct. Connecting phrases or actions. Similar to and or. It can be used to connect phrases or actions, often implying a casual or informal tone.
週末は家で読書とかして過ごす
I spend weekends doing things like reading at home.
週末は家で読書とかして過ごす
In reported speech. Similar to said or like. Toka is also used in reported speech to indicate that what is being said is not a direct quote, but a paraphrase.
彼は来週来るとか言ってた
He said something like, he's coming next week.
彼は来週来るとか言ってた
See our website for more example sentences and other lessons on Japanese particles. Repeating and even memorizing example sentences is a great way to internalize these particles. Until next time.
チャンネル登録してね。